Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry, I just like singing that song. But anyways, you got a little bit old to remember that song, but it was whatever. So today we're gonna talk about a website I use daily. When I say I use it daily in my trading setup, I use it daily. Is a Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Now, this website is totally if you're a beginner, and I said if you are a beginner, you need to start using this website every day. Like coming in here, learning. There's so much. Like let's start with farms. Farms is so much in here. If you don't know your setup, if you don't even got a indicator you're looking for, these people got indicators in here you can use. If you don't got a broker, they break down brokers. If you don't got a journal, they teach you how to break down your own journal. It's just a group, a community where you can learn so much things. Just show in here, you can see they have so much indicators, and they're free. You don't gotta pay for them. You come in here, you go through what you want. People post all these indicators. You can jump up here and see them. You go back and you want to see discussion like what kind of currency is popping right now. You could go in here and you can break it down and see. I'm telling you, if you're new to Forex, this is a place to be. You're gonna learn so much in here. Um, like right here in the form, they break down Euro USD. Now, USD is another one of my peers, but at least you break down and you see what the breakdown looks like. They talk about it. They got people discussing it. So now you can get in there and see what they're talking about. Because now you gotta learn the lingos so you can see what's going on in the market. If you notice, the farm got you. Now, another section, these are trades people call out on the platform. If you don't know what kind of trade to take, you go and you check these out. You go back to your trading view and you see where the market is and you see why they buy it, why they sell it. You break it down so you say, okay, this person right here put in a buy on gold at this point right here. So you go in there and say, okay, I'm gonna go figure out where this number is, 182. So you go to here. Let me see. That's gold. So you go to gold over here, and you're trying to see where that number is. They say 182, 18257. So what I would have did is I grab this right here, number wise, right here. I grab it, I copy that, and what I do is I come over here and get myself a line. I drop it in. Then I go to settings. Then I go here. Then I drop this in here. Boom. So 182, don't mind me, 57 or 1857, right? You press OK. So you see where exactly they put that buy in. So you start breaking it down. So man, you notice that if you know it, you can look and say there is no buy in this market right now. The market is in a downtrend. So I want to put no buys in gold because as we always say, above the line, this is my long indicator, is in a sell. Below the line is a buy. So you're not putting no kind of buys in that. You keep that off. You don't touch that at all. So anyway, you go to news. Now this is very important, and I'm gonna show you guys something. So in news, you get to see. They tell you what the news is about. So you go to the calendar, and if it's red, it's gonna affect the pair. If it's orange, there's no big impact. I'm talking about red is an impact right here. But so you go to odd, you press on it, right? and you go, you press, and it tells you right here. It tells you what's the effect gonna be. See, it's gonna be a good for the currency. So you know around this time you can check on that as when this news drop and see if it's gonna be good for the currency. So you kind of have to know how to use it. You feel me? You kind of have to know how to use it in the your day-to-day trading. I get up every morning and I check this. This is what I check every morning. Like right now, we on the 19th, so you come down to the 19th and see what's gonna drop. So I usually get up around 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:30. I get my coffee, I meditate, I go through my day. So anyway, take it. None of my I look through the news and see what's gonna drop, what's not gonna drop, how it's gonna affect my peers, and then you kind of work through that through your day to do your setup. But this website is important to your trading setup. Um, most of the most of the people who trade, and I'm not talking about the ones who be in a car showing you throwing money in the air, trying to tell you I make $1 million in one day. That's not trading. That is not trading. That's playing around. And people who don't want to play around, don't play around with my money. I work too hard. I study too hard for you to come and tell me, oh, put my money here and you do this and you make $1 million. That's not gonna work. You gotta really put time in, hours every day. So, you gotta look around this. You gotta look around the this website and feel it out. I say it's really good in your daily setup. Right here talk about the brokers. You can go into the brokers and see, how stuff work and see how their max leverage is and see the platform they use and regulate. You see all these things so you can know what kind of platform you want to use. Because there's so much platform out there. Like there's a million, not a million, but there's so much that you gotta really figure out what works for you. And depends on what country you're in and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, this right here, the Forex Factory, it's amazing. There's so much for you to do. You go to the farm, you want to pick up, you know, you want to learn, even when you want to learn your daily journal, you have to, I would say, get a book, get a paper, write down your plan, write out your plan, make sure you have that bad boy locked because you do not want to go against your journal. You do not want to go against your plan because when you start going against your plans, you start losing way more than you think you should have been losing. And you start, don't like your day and you start saying, oh my God, I'm losing too much. I always say, if you put in your journal, you're only going to take 3 trades. Then through the day, take your 3 trades and you're done with the market. Just keep it, stick to your journal, stick to what you're doing. Keep using this site because if you're new, this site right here is going to be very important to your trading journey. And in this, on my website, on my thing right here, we only take we take the journey, we keep pushing, because, 2020 has been crazy, crazy. And if you don't got some kind of sticking to something, you're gonna fail. So wake up in the morning, you check your news, you check everything you gotta go through your day, and you'll be fine. Stick to your plan. Don't divert from it, but stick to it, and you'll be fine. I hope y'all learn something from here. As I said, come in here, check out the forum, check out what's going on. Check out all the systems, check out the platforms that's here, everything. They got rookie talk. If you're new, you come in here. If you have any questions, you've been googling, you can come here, check it out, read up on it. Always reading, always educating yourself about what you're doing. Always look to figure out new things and add to your trading plan. Always trying to be better. Don't make today mistake covers the rest of your day, rest of your life. Get up every morning. If you fail yesterday, it's gone. It's a new day. Just continue on the journey and just keep on blessing yourself. That's it. Be a light in your day every day. You feel me? I'm out.